How's all my friends out there in YouTube land today? Hope you're doing well, enjoying this beautiful weather we're having. I thought I'd bring you out to the garden and give you an update on how my garden's doing. It's been in the ground a little over a week now, and I'll show you these tomatoes. I got little maters coming in on my tomato plants. Look at these. There's some itty bitty ones there, and if you look down in there, you'll see a bigger one. Lots of blooms. There's a nice sized mater right there coming on. There's a dandy little, couple little ones in there. Look at that. Maters are coming up. Let's come over here and take a look at these over here in these pots. See, the side was tore out of that pot when I hit it with a lawnmower. I'm dangerous with the mower. There's a whole lot of maters in that one. Right there. Look at these pretty plants. Lots of pretty blooms on these. There's some little maters down there on the bottom of one of them. Cool. My beans are coming up. Look at my beans. They're starting up. Jack and the beanstalk. And this is just one plot of beans. I got another plot around on the other side of the house. Let's see about our gourds. Gourds ain't sprouting a whole lot yet. Here. See where the squirrel's been in my garden. Look at that. Dad blasted squirrels. There's one gourd coming up there. So they're beginning to start. I'll walk around here to these other ones and let's take a look at them. No, not much coming up. A few weeds I need to get pulled out around the edges of it. Not much going on there. There's one coming up I see sprouting back in there. Okay, well, we'll just wander around here to the side of the house and take a look at some of my pots over here. See, there's a big old line of them all the way down along the side of the house here. There's some more gourds planted in that one, but they're not sprouting up yet. There's a couple little tomato plants. I put some younger ones in there. I'll extend a little bit of my growing season on maters. Pepper plants, sweet peppers, bell peppers. And my cabbage plants, I got cauliflower plants. I got 6 cauliflowers I planted in here. Looks like the birds has been at that in a little bit, pecking at it. But 5 out of 6 ain't looking too bad there. And then I got some more beans that I planted down here. They're not sprouting yet. There's a mess of beans coming up in that one. So that one's got a good start. And the other ones ain't sprouting much in them yet. The squirrel's been in that one digging a hole. That kind of gives you a little update. So things are starting. There's going to be a little bit of a stand of stuff out here so far. I thought you'd enjoy this little tour. And with all that being said, just remember, Brenda's crafty. Be like Brenda.